You could catch me.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Steph.net, back with another video. And my friend, she is flat ironing my hair today. And in true black people fashion, she wanted me to wash and blow dry my hair myself. I feel like she's trash for that, but it gives me a chance to review this blow dryer. So I have a blow dryer here. It says that it has a large paddle design that dries and smooths hair quickly. We're gonna see. We're gonna put that to the test. It says detangling bristles help dry, smooth, and style hair in half the time with an asterisk. What's the asterisk mean? I need to know. Basically, an asterisk probably means lies, but we gonna see. It styles back of hair with ease. We'll see. I'm trying to talk on the camera and you making noise. Oh my gosh. Let's close the door. Okay, now that I got my husband out the room, I got my heat protectant on. Let's go ahead and give this a whirl. I'm gonna put it. Why this ain't working, Tyson? I'm gonna put it on low.
You could catch me. Catch me.
I feel like you still ain't posted that snap? I feel like I wish I would have thought this up because I could be getting paid right now. Like, I blow dry my hair with the paddle brush and the blow dryer already, so
yeah, pretty much the same thing.
I should have thought of this. I feel like it's lit. I don't feel like my hair is any straighter than if I would have did it with my paddle brush and the other blow dryer. I just feel like this is more convenient. It's lit. It was worth the $39.99 for sure.
You could catch me.
For this blow dry right here.
No, you got a lot of hair blow dry. You ain't blow dry nothing. What do you have left?
All this is done. It's just this in the front and right here.
And how do you do it? Well, it's a brush blow dryer. Let me see if I see how to do it. Am I on a video?
If you want to be on the video.
Catch me. Catch me.
Say what's up to
Hey,
the camera.
hey, what's up? I'm Steffi's mom. I just finished blow drying her hair. Picked it up.
You get my phone, that's Jocelyn.
I probably look ridiculous too, but at least my hair was done.
Hello?
I'm on my way.
Okay, I just finished blow drying my hair.
I did.
So what are you doing so far? How do you feel about the brush?
I feel like it's cool because I already blow dry my hair like that, but I have to hold a paddle brush and then a blow dryer. So with it all in one,
Maybe easier.
yeah, like it's cool because it's all in one. But don't feel like if you got a lot of hair, like it's blow dry your hair, it's gonna be irritating. I don't care what you got to use. Like I didn't even finish it. My mom finished the other side because my arm was hurting. And I was like, I mean, it says ergonomic, but my arm still hurt.
My arm hurt.
Yeah, I like it. I think it's convenient. I like it. Honestly, what I will say is I like it better than the comb. Because I don't use I stopped using a blow dryer with the comb hella long ago.
Because they always break.
Exactly. And I'm like, it just get tangled in my hair. Overall, I like it. My mom did this side and it came out better than the side that I did because yeah, she has more patience than me. And it's different when somebody else doing it versus when you do it. But she got it looking like extra luxurious on this side. I feel like this blowout is on fleek. Like, I really can't wait to get my hair flat ironed to see how long it's gonna be, but I think it came out good. Like, if you take your time and do it slow, like, it'll come out more like the side that my mom did.
Mad